Hey YouTube, welcome back. So I was about to take off, and then my car was making like funny noise when my window was rolling down. It's like grit, 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 grit. And then when I went over the bump, and then my exhaust hit the speed bump. So I noticed that something was wrong. So lucky I didn't drop off all the way. I was able to get it flat. I might have some kind of puncture in my car, so I'm going to pump it up real quick and then troubleshoot it. It was less than 10 psi. Alright, so I found out the leak. I used the soap and water and just spray over here. That's where my old patch was. So I patched up this tire long time ago. So I'm not sure the hot weather it worn out the cement. So I'm gonna put another plug in there. But first of all, I need to use the tool. This one is to file it. I gotta punch it where it's leaking it. You're supposed to use this as a file. So clean out whatever debris that you have in there. Don't worry, you're not gonna mess up the tire since it's already punctured. If you don't do this, it's not gonna glue correctly. So I'm gonna use one of this plug, insert through here, and make sure you use the cement glue, the rubber cement glue that came with it. Just take out a strip, insert through there. It's kind of hard because the strip is sticky, and then you try to get through here, so it's pretty hard. What I did is normally I use like a screwdriver, yank it in. So normally I use a screwdriver to insert here to get it open. But let's see if it's gonna work this time. See if I can use a plier to pull it out. I don't know. You had to put it right in the middle. There you go. And put some cement glue. Oh, I didn't even puncture this. So make sure you puncture it. Okay. There you go. Make sure you put on both sides. So once you pull out this the filer, it's gonna start leaking the air. So you gotta get ready. There you go. Get some leverage. Alright, I finally got it in because the one that I was using, the plug or the strip was too fat. So as you can see, this is the thinner one compared to this. Oh my god, it was so thick. So that's why I cannot get it in. Okay. Because previously when I fix and repair the car, I never had any problem. So after that, gonna let it dry and then cut this off with a plier or a razor blade. Alright, so make sure you pump it to your specification on your tires. There's a sticker on the driver's side on the door jamb. It'll show you how many PSI. Make sure there's no leak or forming like a bubble. Okay, now I'm gonna snip it. Oh, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video, and always, peace.